Okay, so this one sounds a lot more complicated than it actually has to be. The important things to remember are that A is greater than B. The first hour of work that the contractors do is worth more than any consecutive hour that they do. They get a higher rate for that first hour of work. The company has a choice between paying monthly or per project. Just by this fact alone, the fact that the first hour of pay is higher means that they will want to pay monthly rather than by project. If they pay by project, they're going to have to pay this higher rate for every one of the projects. Now granted, there were only 2 projects in this particular month, but they would have to pay the higher rate of A for both the 2-hour project and the 4-hour project. They're not going to want to do that, so the ones that say per project can't be right. Also, because A is greater than B, and in one of the cases they're paying for that first hour of work twice if you do it pay per project, and if you pay per month you're only paying for that higher rate once. There's no way that they can cost an equal amount. Then all we're left with is choices A and B. In this particular case then, they are either paying A for the first hour, or if they're paying per project, or excuse me, paying by month, they're paying A for the first hour and B for each additional hour. Or if they had actually done paid by project, it would be A for the first hour and then B for the additional hours, and then there'd be a second A in here for the second project and then B additional hours here. So really the amount of savings is with this part right here. Let's just imagine we're looking at this 1 hour. This is the only part that's different, paying per month and paying per project when you have 2 projects. If they pay by project, they pay that first hour rate. If they pay by month, they don't. That 1 hour here, that first hour of the second project, if they pay by project, is at the A rate, the second one is at the B rate. The big difference, the only difference between these 2 different schemes is the difference between A and B. And since A is higher, it's A minus B dollars. That's the amount of savings per month on that 1 hour, and that's the only difference. Answer choice B is our answer.